Welcome to Sopers House, a modern commercial space designed for intelligent, connected working. Here, at every level, lighting, heating and cooling, audio-video, and finally, access control. All fully automated for a seamless experience. Shared workspaces offer secure, flexible access, allowing users to enter effortlessly with a simple touch. Video-enabled meeting rooms make collaboration effortless with integrated technology for modern work. The fully automated gym adapts to every moment with smart blinds, responsive lighting, and integrated audio and video, all controlled automatically for comfort and performance. The systems are designed to support modern working, promoting productivity, balance, and focus, while integrating well-being seamlessly into every part of the workday. The pool and spa offer a truly automated experience, combining sound, lighting, and secure access for calm, comfort, and refined relaxation. Behind the scenes, everything is brought together through a powerful, reliable network, ensuring seamless connectivity across the entire building. A central network room holds the cabling and systems that power the building's automation. This gives users complete control, on-site or remotely, from a smartphone, computer, or a wall panel, making the building simple and intuitive to manage. Focused on reliability, performance, and simplicity, Smart2u delivers intelligent building solutions for today and tomorrow.